Welcome to 564 Pool Road in North Haven, Connecticut. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house with about 1,800 square feet of space. There's central air conditioning, an updated furnace system. The basement has been waterproofed by Connecticut Basement Systems. We have a wraparound deck and a fenced-in yard. It's about a half an acre of land. The swimming pool will be gone in the spring, and we will plant new grass seed. We are within walking distance of the North Haven campus of Quinnipiac University. Let's head on in. When we first come in, we come into a foyer area with a large closet, coat closet. And then to the left, we have this beautiful chalk wall. Coming in to the right is a large great room, oversized great room. It's very bright with a lot of windows. And an open floor plan with our beautiful kitchen. Off to the right of the kitchen is our laundry area with a washer and dryer. Stainless steel appliances, a wall oven, dishwasher, microwave, a gas stovetop, a range, and a stainless steel refrigerator. Granite countertops and vaulted ceilings with multiple skylights and ceiling fans. And you can also see the grates for the central air conditioning up there. This door off to the side will take you to the deck and to our yard. So let's head on down to the living area. This is where we came in, the front door. This is the basement door. We'll take you down there in a bit. And this is the Nest thermostat. So we have multiple Nest thermostats in the house. This door to the left is a closet, linen closet. And then there's a half bath that's right across from it. A really nice vanity setup. Coming down the hall some more is the first floor bedroom. This is ground level, this bedroom. And it has a bath, a large, beautiful bath off of it. Looking backwards, back towards the great room, what you'll see is we have a little bonus closet right behind the door. So coming through the room, you'll see the bathroom. There's a large vanity, nice mirror. There's the closet. And then here is a walk-in shower. Tiled, extremely nice. Just look backwards. So there's the closet. There's the potty. Back through the bedroom, out, and then we're going to take a right. And this is a bonus room. Could be an office, a study, a family room, right across from the half bathroom. And got this beautiful bookcase that's been refinished. Sort of look at it from across the room. You see the stairs, which have all been refinished. And we'll head on up the stairs. And upstairs there's 3 bedrooms and a full bath. And then there's another Nest thermostat. So the first bedroom, when we get up here, is just to the left. It's a decent sized bedroom. Could easily fit a queen bed. And a good sized closet. Across from this room, there's that Nest thermostat, is another bedroom. And this one has a very large walk-in closet. Give the perspective on this room. There's the other room we just came out of, and there's the stairs. Then there's the bathroom. We'll go in there in just a moment. And here's the third bedroom upstairs. Looking down the hall, see bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. And behind me is the full bathroom. With a tub and shower, and a really nice vanity setup. This house features all the creature comforts, such as central air conditioning and all new floors, a fresh light gray paint job. Everything is clean and airy and bright. All new smoke detectors and CO detectors have been installed in the house. In addition to the Nest thermostats which we put in. The house is about 1,800 square feet, and it should be pretty energy efficient to run. Well, that's been our tour of 564 Pool Road in North Haven, Connecticut. We hope you have enjoyed coming along with us. Thank you.